letter Sound Hoedown. Tribute like a dove. And let it elevator, letter A.
A makes the A sound.
Conveyor, letter B.
B makes the B sound.
Go camel, letter C.
C makes the sound.
And sing out with letter D.
D makes the D sound.
Letter Sound Hoedown.
Elegant elephant, letter A.
D makes the F sound.
Body answer to letter F.
F makes the F sound.
Jumping this, letter P.
P makes the D sound.
And it's horse, letter A. H makes the H sound.
Letter Sound Hoedown.
It's the iguana, letter I.
I makes the I sound.
Roman jaguar, letter J.
J makes the J sound.
Kangaroo, letter K.
K makes the K sound.
Lapis and lapis and letter L.
L makes the O sound.
Letter Sound and come on down. Letter Sound Hoedown.
That's enough. Letter M.
M makes the sound.
Rising near to the letter N.
N makes the sound.
An otter. And letter O.
It makes the sound.
Kitty pin, letter P.
D makes the P sound.
Letter Sound and come on down. Letter Sound Hoedown.
Quiet will lift him.
Q makes the Q sound.
Rock and radio, letter R.
R makes the sound.
M seal, letter M.
S makes the sound.
Sharpie, letter T.
T makes the T sound.
Letter Sound and come on down. Letter Sound Hoedown.
Umbrella bird, letter D.
U makes the sound.
Silent vulture, letter B.
V makes the V sound. Well, just 4 more letters to go.
Mighty walrus, letter W.
W makes the W sound.
Ordinary ox, letter N.
X makes the X sound.
After the F, the letter Y.
R makes the sound.
Zippy zebra, letter Z.
Z makes the Z sound.
Well, now we've come to the end of the line. Everybody have a good time. Thanks for singing along with me.
We learn the sounds from A to Z.